What's up, everybody? It's Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media, and I'm here today with another product unboxing and review. But this time, it's not your typical review or unboxing that I do. Normally, I do something in regards with photography. That's my specialty. Or video, media, A. Roberson Media. I'm learning, but I'm getting there. Or I do something that has to deal with audio, or even Photoshop or Filmora or Premiere Elements 2019. But this time I'm doing a tech review. It's not your typical tech, but it is tech nonetheless. And what am I talking about? Bam! This guy. So let's go ahead and run the credits and get right to it. Yes, indeed, folks, I am back with another tech review, some Bluetooth tech, Bluetooth speaker tech, and it's pretty straightforward. I mean, it's pretty basic, if you catch my drift. What am I talking about? Amazon Basics. Bam! Amazon Basics Bluetooth speaker. I had a Bluetooth speaker before. It was a gift, and it was this guy. Bam! This JBL speaker. This JBL speaker is nice. JBL's name brand. Not to say that Amazon isn't name brand, but it's not commercial name brand that we're used to like the JBL. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing and do a quick comparison to see which one sounds the best. Now, this review is going to be pretty straightforward, pretty straight to the point. I mean, who doesn't know how to work Bluetooth nowadays, right? You turn it on with the, where is it? Off and on switch right there. You see that? Bam, turn it on. It starts to blink, makes a little sound. It's looking for my phone, but I don't have my phone set up right now because I've already done that setup earlier. But all you have to do is turn it on, turn your Bluetooth on your phone looks for it, finds it. You see in the unboxing footage, it found it, I think it's listed as BSK30 or something like that, maybe basic speaker 30. I don't know, but either way, it connected to my phone within seconds. I turned it on, and just like that, in minutes, I was dancing. Why? Because it sounds good. Does it sound as good as the JBL? I don't know. I want to say the JBL had a little bit more richer bass. But, I mean, look at it. Look at the size difference. The Amazon, it's pretty small. The JBL is like a musical instrument. It's put together to play music better than this basic box here. But that's not to say that this basic box doesn't sound good. Ultimately, I think the vocals are better in here, but the bass is better here. If you could put these two together, it'll make the ultimate speaker. But separately, the JBL gets a slight edge on the heavier bass if you're a bass head like myself. But if you want richer, cleaner vocals, you go with this guy. Volume levels wise, I'd say the Amazon is a little bit better. It's cleaner. It gets just as loud as the JBL. I want to say they're probably equally loud, but when it reaches the peak, Amazon beeps and lets you know that it's not going any louder. And to me, that prevents distortion, where the JBL, yeah, it does reach its peak, but by the time it reaches its peak, because the bass is so heavy, it also makes the vocals distort. So it doesn't sound as crisp. I did use some music, some free music to test. And matter of fact, let me go ahead and give a shout out to the artist real quick. If you can see that, the song is called Awake. And it's by Yoe Tracks, I think. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. But the song is called Awake. And I got it from the website freestockmusic.com. I use a lot of my background music off this website. Matter of fact, the background music that you're hearing now is this actual song off this actual website. But when I did the sound test, I turned off my background music and let my microphone actually pick up both speakers one at a time, so you can determine which one you like best. Ease of use wise, I mean, they're a tie. I mean, like I said, everybody uses Bluetooth nowadays. It is 2020. I mean, you turn your device on, turn your Bluetooth on, wait for it to connect, push play, start dancing. Simple as can be, right? And I'm starting to notice that when products ship nowadays, they always come with their USB connection cable for charging. It uses a micro USB on the back of this Amazon. Let's get that light in there. Where is it? Right there in the middle. uses a micro USB instead of the ever so popular USB Type-C. But still, I mean, it comes supplied with that, but it doesn't come with a charging brick. Every product that I've been receiving lately does not have a charging brick, but I have charging bricks laying around the house, so I can easily charge my device. That's a non-issue. They both charge with the micro USB. They both take about, I don't know, maybe an hour to fully charge. The Amazon unit came fully charged, ready to play. So when I pulled it out the box, turned it on, pushed play, I was dancing. Just like that. Just if you're wondering, why did I have to buy two? Because luckily I have two bathrooms in my place. So the JBL goes into the guest bathroom and the Amazon goes into my bathroom. So that's why I have two. But anyway, quick comparison. I mean, really depends on what you like. Like I said, if you like heavy bass, you go with something like the JBL or other brands out there that might be different. But if you like good balance of bass, good vocals, not much distortion, bam, that's your guy. And I bought it off of Amazon here in the US, and I want to say with tax and all that stuff, I say I paid $25.94. I'll put a link up and I'll put a screenshot of exactly what I paid for it, where you can get it from. Maybe you can get yourself one. And it comes in multiple colors. It comes in all black, it comes in blue and red. Well, actually it's black mesh. The grill part is metal mesh, and it comes with a blue trim, and same thing for the red, the black metal mesh and the red trim. The rest of the body is made out of plastic, but it's pretty strong plastic, feels pretty good. I mean, I wouldn't recommend dropping it. Why would you? But if you do drop it, I would think it could stand an impact, especially if it lands on carpet. It's pretty well built. This is Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo. If you like what I did, give me a thumbs up, man. And if you like what I did, also leave me a comment. Let me know if you like the Amazon speaker, if you have one of your own, or if you have the JBL or something, or if you were considering getting the Amazon. I mean, at that price point, can't really go wrong. And it sounds good. And it's literally like if you gave the JBL a 5 on a scale of 1 to 5, the Amazon would be a 4.9 on a scale in comparison if you're doing a direct comparison between the two. So $25.94 well spent? Absolutely. So if you like what I just did, quick review, switched it up a little bit. Instead of talking about photography or videography or Photoshop or other tech like microphone techs and so on and so forth, please consider subscribing for more. Who knows what I'll review next. But if you subscribe and come back, you'll see. See you in the next video.